now. I know many of you are getting option 4. In fact, 90% of the option people are saying option 4. You cannot get your answer. Let me repeat the question for you. There are 3 rods of length L1, L2 and L3 such that no 2 of them are of same length. L1, L2, L3 are integer. Can we exactly measure x centimeter using these 3 rods? Where x is an integer. Can I measure an integral length from it? I'll say L1 plus L2. Of course, I cannot get the answer. 2 variable, 1 equation. How can I get it? L2 plus L3. How can I get this value? 3 variable, 2 equations. Certainly, I'm not going to get the answer. That is what maths says. But no one is going to ask you the question, find out the value of L1, L2, L3. You need to understand because everyone is doing the same thing here. They are asking it by combining this, can you get x? The smallest integral value of a number is equal to 1. If you can find out anything as 1, you can also find out 2. If you double it, if you can find out, you can make it 3 by multiplying it by 3. I can see it is 201. What if I multiply it by 2? So it is L2 plus L3 minus twice of L1 plus L2. So should I say it is L2 minus twice of L2 is minus L2 plus L3 minus twice of L1 is coming out to be 1. Once you know that it is coming out to be 1, I can double them, make it 2. I can multiply it by n, make it n. I hope you understand that. So what is the conclusion from this? The conclusion that we got from here is no one is going to ask you to find the values of L1, L2, L3 because all of you are doing the same thing. They are asking you that there are 2, say L1, L2 is A is equal to 100 and this is B is equal to 201. By using them, can you find out 1? I'll say yes, B minus 2A is equal to 1. If this is 1, by multiplying both sides by some term, you can get any integral value here. I hope it is clear. Please, Jaykara lagao, say a yes if it is clear. Write a no if it is not yet clear.